Hi, I'm Joy Norwood with the Superior Property Group at Keller Williams. And today we're talking about Fannie Mae and the removal of that 620 credit score requirement. And you might be wondering, what does this really mean for home buyers? So let's break it down. First, let's talk about the purpose of this change. The purpose of the change is simple. It was to make home ownership more accessible for borrowers with lower credit scores. So previously, a credit score under a 620 automatically disqualified many aspiring home buyers. Well, not anymore. So now lenders will look at more than just your credit score when they're qualifying you for a mortgage loan. And this is what buyers need to know. What does this really mean for you? It means that the lenders are going to do a broader evaluation and they'll evaluate your full financial picture. And so while your credit score is still important, it's not the only factor anymore. And this gives more potential new homeowners a chance to qualify. And I recently had a lender to confirm that she was able to get someone approved with a lower credit score. Now, I'll say he had a stable work history and funds in the bank. However, previously, that loan would have been denied, and this does show that the changes are definitely giving an opportunity to more potential home buyers. Also, you'll want to keep in mind that lenders will be looking at your debt to income ratio. So basically, lenders want to make sure that your monthly expenses line up with your monthly income. So that's still going to be a big part of that approval process. Additionally, your payment history still counts. So any recent delinquencies will still be on the radar. So you need to show that you're making those payments on time and keep up with your credit obligations, whether that monthly payment is $25 or 25 cents. If it shows up on your credit report or it's being used to help you qualify for a mortgage, you do not want to be late. Also, keep in mind that interest rates may be higher for borrowers who have lower credit scores. The reality is that lenders may compensate for that perceived higher risk by charging more for loans with borrowers with lower credit scores that don't meet those previous standards. So it's still important to know your options and to plan ahead. So, what's the takeaway? Is that Fannie Mae's new rules do open the door for more people to qualify for a mortgage, but you still need to be smart about your finances. And if you're thinking about buying a home and you want to see how this change affects you and your situation, reach out. I'd love to help you figure out the best plan to make home ownership a reality for you. I'm Joy Norwood with the Superior Property Group at Keller Williams, your realtor of choice when service matters.
Hey, it's Joy Norwood. And listen, if you don't follow this channel, there's a good chance you'll never see me again. I consistently put out helpful content for those that are currently in the real estate market. This information can be extremely helpful for your buying and selling needs, so be sure you like and subscribe here. Leave a comment to let us know if this video was helpful for you. We're here to help the Central Mississippi area, and we always love your thoughts and questions. Follow now, and then we'll see you with our next helpful video.